Once a query area is selected, the user is presented with a similar interface as shown. Data filters are used to submit server-side parameters to the SQL Server. Each query area has a different collection of available filters, specifically designed to support the query area. Views are used to present the query results in different ways. Most query areas have multiple view choices available. The search area has dual usage. First, the search area can be used as a pre-search mode. In pre-search mode, provide a string which corresponds to the sort order choice, and then selected the Execute button. In pre-search mode, the data filter's choices are fully ignored. The second mode of search area is to perform a soft find of the string entered within a grid of results generated. To summarize, the products provide a sophisticated query engine. The query engine is SQL server-side based, resulting in snappy results. SQL server-side queries reduce impact on networks by reducing data network traffic. SQL server-side queries harness the performance built into SQL Server. The product permits novice users to learn quickly on how to obtain spectacular results. The sophistication built in the product permits users to get the answers rather than having to determine who is going to do the work within the organization. And lastly, overtasked admins can empower users to be self-directed by being equipped with the product.